The smartphone industry is approaching another major leap. Qualcomm's upcoming Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 6 could become one of the most significant mobile processors ever developed. Built around a next-generation architecture, advanced artificial intelligence capabilities, and a cutting-edge manufacturing process, this chipset aims to redefine what flagship smartphones can achieve. For the first time in the Snapdragon 8 Elite lineup, Qualcomm is expected to introduce a dual-tier strategy. Instead of a single flagship processor, the company may launch both standard and Pro variants. This approach would allow manufacturers to target multiple premium segments while offering greater flexibility across different devices and price points. One of the biggest advancements comes from process technology. The Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 6 is expected to be manufactured using TSMC's advanced 2nm N2P process. This transition could dramatically increase transistor density while improving power efficiency and thermal performance. In simple terms, users may see better battery life, lower heat output, and significantly higher sustained performance. The processor is also rumored to introduce a new 2+3+3 core layout. At the top are 2 ultra-prime cores designed for peak performance. 3 performance cores handle demanding workloads, and 3 efficiency cores manage background tasks while minimizing power consumption. This balanced design allows the chipset to deliver maximum performance only when required. For graphics performance, Qualcomm is expected to separate the standard and Pro models even further. The Pro variant may feature a more powerful Adreno GPU, larger graphics memory, and support for next-generation memory technologies. These improvements would benefit mobile gaming, AI workloads, and advanced visual applications. Thermal management remains one of the most important challenges for modern flagship smartphones. To address this, Qualcomm is reportedly developing new hardware-level thermal solutions aimed at reducing throttling during extended workloads. The goal is simple: maintain peak performance for longer periods without generating excessive heat. Artificial intelligence is expected to play a major role in the platform's future. The upgraded Hexagon NPU could enable more advanced on-device AI assistance, real-time language processing, and complex machine learning tasks without relying heavily on cloud services. Photography and video processing may also receive substantial upgrades. Enhanced computational photography, real-time image fusion, and faster multi-camera workflows could help manufacturers deliver professional-grade camera experiences directly on smartphones. These advancements, however, may come at a cost. More advanced manufacturing processes and premium hardware could increase the price of flagship devices. Industry analysts expect the first wave of Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 6 smartphones to appear in ultra-premium segments. Devices from Samsung, OnePlus, iQOO, and other leading Android manufacturers are expected to be among the earliest adopters. Looking ahead, Qualcomm's strategy extends beyond a single product launch. The company appears focused on establishing a new standard for mobile computing centered around efficiency, sustained performance, and intelligent on-device processing. Whether every rumor becomes reality remains to be seen. But one thing is clear: the competition for smartphone performance leadership is accelerating faster than ever before, and the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 6 could be one of the most important milestones in that journey.